Welcome to Trojan Boatworks. Today, Tom shows you how to install a new teak undercounter galley cabinet. This show is brought to you by the motion picture Huntin' Bigfoot, starring Jamie Janik and Ben Utek. It's an action-packed adventure with the CIA, space aliens, hillbillies, a cable TV show, and a lady Bigfoot, all tangled up in the same web. Available now on YouTube and Amazon Prime. Huntin' Bigfoot, movie fun for the whole family.
Well, hey everybody, here we are back on Hope She Floats 2 in Plano, Texas. And I got to tell you, this weekend, I had a rather pleasant conversation with the Supreme Allied Commander-in-Chief, and we decided it was time to update the galley. So, let's go inside and see what we're going to do.
Okay, here we are on Hope She Floats, and this is the galley remodel. Say hi, Tom, in the window there. Hi, Tom, in the window there. So here's the microwave and the ice maker. We're going to put that drawer underneath here. Looking at the sizing, I'll have to make a couple adjustments. And here is the face frame that's coming out right here. So what we've got are these couple of these drawers, and we got some shelves in there, and then some drawers here, and then this big black hole under here. So what the idea is to take the white part of the face frame out, replace it with a teak face frame, and then have sliding glass doors that look like this down here as well, that go all the way across. So it's just one set of sliding glass doors, just like here and here, only here. But first, it's off to the shop to round up some tools and pick up some really nice teak that I've been saving for this job. So here we are on a beautiful morning at Cottonwood Creek in Lewisville, Texas, and we're ready to start the galley remodel on Hope She Floats 2. Okay, here we are on Hope She Floats, getting ready to change out the cabinet. Now, a few things you want to do, or I do, you can do whatever you want, is I take one of these red wheel cups and I start putting all my screws and fasteners that come off into that. Even though I'm replacing almost all of them with modern fasteners, stainless and such, you just don't ever want to take a chance. There may be something there you're going to need. So just remember, always just, put them in there. It's an easy way to keep track of everything, and you have them if you need them, get rid of them afterwards. So then after a couple minutes, you've got the face frames wide open, and then these are the units right here that we have to take out to put in the new one and remove this section here. Now to pull these out, we have to go to the inside, and as you see, we've got screw holes here, 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 and probably one underneath there, and then one all the way up here at the top. So we have to pull those out, and then on the other side, we've got them here, here, and down at the bottom. So we'll pull those out and the face frame should come loose. So then, after a couple hours hacking away, you get this. You get your frame that takes your countertop and your face frame, what shelves that were there, and under sink plumbing. So then what I'm gonna do is build a new face frame that encompasses all that, take that center support out and rehang it so it's open across the front there with just a post beam, and add a shelf. Okay, progress report. So the shelves are cut in and they're installed. And now I'm putting in the teak trim internals. So that's gonna be the frame down around there, and I'll put a cap on it, which is laying right there. And then there'll be two more of them that go right on the face frame there. And then the face frame goes in over it. I'll keep you informed as we go. Can't shoot as I'm doing it because of spaces. So I'll have to keep giving you little video snippets like this. And here it is, all trimmed out in teak, the shelves, the caps, the railing for the doors, and then we've oiled it with the Minwax teak oil, really good stuff. Well, here's the completed galley update. These were already in, so I figured I would match. I took the microwave that was down here, put in two shelves, drawers, that open for access, both sides, a couple shelves down here, trimmed everything in teak. and then made it match, made matching handles. I put them on the high end rather than middle, just because it'd be easier to hit. So, but yeah, that's how it turned out. Kind of happy with it, I think. You know, the microwave ended up here with the ice maker, and good deal. All right, see you on the next one.